So Shiba Inu made a strong and very exciting move yesterday. And yes, we've cooled down a little bit from that, but this is actually looking like the setup for something much, much bigger. And on top of this, we are actually now at a point where we are seeing an all-time high in terms of excitement when it comes to meme coins, but yet we have not seen the big boom take place quite yet. And I want to show you guys what exactly I'm talking about. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So once again, Shiba Inu made a strong move to the upside. It climbed almost 10% yesterday. And it actually got all the way back up to 4026, a range that has been a little point of resistance for SHIB. We've corrected, we've come back down. Looks like we're kind of flattening out right here on top of our hourly moving averages. So hopefully that's a point where Shiba Inu decides to plant its feet in the ground. And frankly, we're waiting for the rest of the crypto market to do something today. It might be a lower day of activity, but it was very nice to see SHIB get back above $1 billion in daily trading volume. So all this is looking very good right now. But I will say that one of the most exciting things that I've noticed, well, first of all, we've seen whales still on the accumulation. Don't want to forget that, right? Whales are still accumulating, all that's looking good. But what is really exciting when it comes to meme coins right now is we are at actually an all-time high in terms of excitement. Okay. So this is actually the highest point of excitement we have been in the last 12 months, higher than even in March. We are now at a higher point of excitement that we were in 2021. You guys can see what Google search analytics are looking like. I mean, people are in fact searching very, very heavily for meme coins right now. But yet, despite that, we haven't seen a big meme coin boom. For example, look at the last 7 days. You guys can see that most meme coins have bled 10 to 20%. Actually, Shiba Inu and Doge looking pretty resilient in these ranges. And yes, we did have some obviously major moves over the last 90 days. We know that SHIB did well. We know that many other top meme coins have done exceptionally well. But the interesting thing that's happening is something that we see time and time again, and it's actually a psychological thing. All right, I'm trying to see if I had this pulled up or not. I don't. Okay, so what tends to happen here is you get this wave of excitement. You see these surge in prices, everything doing well. Okay. And that is mostly from people that are currently inside the space, which is a lot of what we've seen. That's why USDT dominance has been on the drop, because a lot of that capital that's been sitting on the sideline inside the space has been flowing back into assets. And that's why when we look at Shiba Inu and what it's been doing over the last 90 days or so, you guys can see that this trend has been very strong up and to the right. Now, where this gets interesting is you will see the drop in prices. You'll see the cool down exactly like we've been seeing in terms of Shiba Inu, like we've been seeing in other assets. And this is where the people that outside the space, although right now they are searching, they're clicking the clicks, right? They're pressing the buttons, meme coins, Shiba Inu, right? And they're watching price drop and they're like, oh, okay, good. I'm glad that I didn't get in. But yet when then prices start running again, then that's when the switch flips. That is when they start to flow into coins. We see it time and time again. I'm sure many of you guys have done the same thing. Me personally, I've done it as well. Seen coins at their low and been like, oh, nope, I'm not going to get in. And then they pump. I'm like, oh, I should have gotten in. It drops. I'm like, oh, I'm glad I didn't. And then boom, away it goes. And you're stuck chasing assets. This is the FOMO that sets in. This is what leads us to higher prices in terms of assets. And this is exactly what is going to lead us to this Shiba Inu breakout. And again, if excitement is this high, if there has been this much supply that's been removed from exchanges, there is a clear path for Shiba Inu making some very significant moves to the upside. Mommy and baby are watching me talk right now. But anyways, hopefully you guys get the point. This is the setup for a very big move. This is the one that we've been talking about. This is the launch into alt season. This is where you're going to see Shiba Inu and many other assets do exceptionally well and frankly set new all-time highs. All right. Now, what I will say is, again, I do have my SHIB longs open. I like to keep showing you guys this just to keep you updated on what I'm doing. Again, that one I opened on November 17th, that's up 17%. My big long, that's up 586%. Can't wait for this to actually climb into the thousands of percents. And again, I think that's happening sometime soon here. If you guys want to check out Margex, there is a referral link in the description below. Feel free to check that out. But the big boom of excitement, it starts about now. It starts and runs until about March, April, May, somewhere in there before we get our cool down. And be happy that you're paying attention to crypto right now, and you're not one of those people that are waiting on the sidelines watching and not pulling the trigger. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.